Today, opening a hobby box of 21-22 Allure Hockey. So you do get 8 packs per box and 1 autograph per box. Let's see what we can find in today's box rip. So we'll take our first look at Allure this year. Here's a look at the base card. Claude Giroux to start us off. Tom Wilson, Patrick Laine, Comtois, Connor McDavid base. Right behind that is a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. That's the orange slice. So a nice one there for an Oilers fan, that is. Orange slice of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, having a really good year this year as well. Quartz of Nathan McKinnon and a Tice Thompson in the rookie. Let us know in the comments below what you think of Allure. Kind of not the biggest fan of Allure, but it's a nice looking set, I would say. I prefer the OPG Platinum, I think, on the Chrome cards. There's a nice Kirill Kaprizov, Dougie Hamilton, Mitch Marner, Tim Stützle. There's a Ruotsalainen, Allure, I think that's the red-orange. Some nice looking cards, really nice inserts as well. The iced out Anthony Mantha, Kupari rookie. There's a base of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Joe Pavelski, Markstrom, Braden Point, Mark Scheifele. That looks like the red rainbow of Carter Hart. Turn that one over. Red rainbow. Right behind that is the Jack Hughes. Some really nice parallels. This is the red or yellow green Jack Hughes. And behind that is a rookie of Cole Caulfield, one of the better rookies to get. Just the base rookie. It'd be nice to get one of those in one of the parallels. Leon Draisaitl, Lee, Morrissey, Alex Tuck, Jack Eichel, back when he was with Buffalo. There's a Jakub Vrana, I think that's the black rainbow. Bread baskets, Grubauer, Drysdale, Allure rookie. 4 packs to go. Still looking for our autograph. Anthony Mantha, Seth Jones, Colton Parayko, Jacob Chychrun, recently traded, Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen, the Allure rookie. That looks like the black rainbow. And we have a hustle, hit, and never quit, Matthew Tkachuk. Not a big fan of that insert. And a Kalen Addison. Start off right off the top. Not a base card, but one of the parallels. Oh, right behind that is the autograph, red-orange, Jacob Bernard Docker. And here's our Jake Guentzel autograph. Kind of a nice looking patch autograph of Jake Guentzel. Really thick card. Behind that is a Podkolzin rookie. Wasn't expecting that one. Saw some of the autographs and they weren't the nicest, and this one's numbered out 7 out of 10. So really low numbered purple diamond auto patch. Really cool autograph there and patch, Jake Guentzel. I like that one. I'd say that's a surprisingly good hit out of Allure. You do get some nice parallels and some nice looking cards, but often the autos aren't the greatest. Jordan Eberle, Sidney Crosby, Lafreniere, Miller. We have a Jesse Yolonen on the Red Rainbow. Allure Control Room, Kalen Addison. And a Trevor Zegras, Allure rookie. Just getting all the key rookies. See if we have any last pack luck. Starting off with DeBrincat, Matthew Tkachuk, Killer Yamamoto, Kucherov, Cam Atkinson, Drew Doughty on the Black Rainbow. There's a nice Nathan McKinnon. Behind that is a Prosvetov. Always pronounce his name wrong. And the Nathan McKinnon, that is the green blue, and that's numbered out of 299. So a nice card to end our box break with. So just a quick recap of our box overall. I thought it was pretty solid, getting some really nice cards. I was pleasantly surprised with the box overall. Really nice Nathan McKinnon out of 299. I really like the Purple Diamond Auto Patch out of 10. That was something that was totally unexpected. And then a bunch of the black rainbows, red orange, and yellow orange, a lot of different color as well, and a nice orange slice of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. So overall, I would give it a sort of a passing grade for Allure, and a box that's probably worth ripping in the future. So again, thanks for joining us on today's break. Let us know in the comments below what you think of 21-22 Allure and whether you're going to be picking up a box. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done so already, and we'll see you next time.